China's warning and latest declaration of a 4-month fishing ban in Scarborough Shoal beginning next month has fallen on deaf ears yet again. This threat is received and taken by the Philippine Coast Guard and the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources with a grain of salt, as our Patrick De Jesus explains in this report.
There's a noticeable decrease in the numbers of Chinese vessels on patrol or standby in the West Philippine Sea. Latest monitoring of the Philippine Navy spotted 122 Chinese ships, comparatively lower than the 153 seen 2 weeks ago when the civilian convoy to Scarborough or Panatag Shoal took place. The monster ship, deployed by China Coast Guard near Bao de Masinloc, is now also outside the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. The Philippine Navy, on the other hand, slammed the fishing moratorium of China in the South China Sea. It covers Panatag Shoal, which is part of the West Philippine Sea. The Navy will not acknowledge the moratorium imposed by China, which has previously issued such identical directive to arrest foreigners in the territories they illegally claim.
They are against international law. Our Commander-in-Chief said they are all unacceptable. The SND said they are provocative. China is out of tune, out of step, out of their minds.
The fishing moratorium of China will last for 4 months until September. That has been implemented annually. The Philippine Navy assured Filipino fisher folks that they will be given enough protection. The Philippine Coast Guard also vowed to provide support.
To our fishermen, rest assured, bago man lang nagsabi ang China na andun ang Philippine Navy at ang AFP.
The Philippine Coast Guard has already come up with contingencies in ensuring na mapapangalagaan natin ang karapatan ng ating mga kababayang mangingisda na tutungo sa Baho de Masinloc.
The Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources also stands firm against the unilateral ban, and they assured to have their presence felt for Pinoy fisher folks in the WPS.
Walang dapat pumigil sa mga lehitimong ginagawa natin sa West Philippine Sea. Unang-una, tayo ang may karapatan dito dahil nasa loob po ito ng ating katubigan, nasa loob ito ng katubigang sakop ng Pilipinas. So tuloy po sa panig ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources kung ano man yung mga nakaplano pa namin na gagawin sa West Philippine Sea bilang bahagi ng pagbibigay na tulong sa ating mga mangingisda, patuloy po itong gagawin.
The BIFAR added they will only recognize the closed fishing season of the Philippines every November. 11% of country's fish harvest comes from the West Philippine Sea, which has been a source of livelihood for 385,000 Filipino fisher folk. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.